Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this filter, what emoji are you and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Shoot is the creator of the filter. You can follow to unlock this filter to your camera tray. So I'm in the filter gallery, but when you come to this page you will see the profile like this. You have to tap on this filter gallery button, smiley button, and you will see the filter. If you're not seeing the filter gallery, then you have to go refresh the page. To refresh the page, 1 minute. Yeah, to refresh the page, just drag down the page and you will see the filter gallery. Now tap on the filter. You will see a preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So to use this filter, you have to press and hold the camera button. If you want to record, then you have to tap on the screen. So I'm not recording, I'll just tap on the screen and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.